Hi students, today we are going to learn about demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. Please follow along on your note sheets on pages 17 and 18 of your packet. So we're going to start with demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives in English mean this, these, that, and those. Okay? Demonstrative adjectives indicate how far something is or where something is. So let's start going through our chart here. So when something is close, we are going to say this or these. So for example, we might say this bat or that track or these championships. Okay? So this, and that's masculine form to say that something is close. Masculine singular form is este. The singular feminine form is esta. And again, these both mean this. When you make those plural and say these, so for example, these campeonatos, masculine and plural, it is estos. And the feminine form is estas, such as estas competencias, these competitions. When something is not close, you'll probably say that. So maybe that bat and that track. So when the singular masculine way to say that is ese. And the singular feminine way is esa. So you might say ese bate, that bat, or esa pista, that track. When it becomes plural, it is the word those. So the plural masculine form is esos. So esos campeonatos, those championships. Or esas, for a feminine plural, for esas competencias, those competitions. And now when something is really far away, in English we still just say that. In Spanish, they differentiate. So the singular masculine way to say that, like way over there, is aquel. So aquel bate would be that bat way over there. It's far away. The feminine form would be aquella. The plural form would mean those, again, but those far away. So the masculine plural is aquellos. And the feminine plural is aquellas. So we might say aquellos campeonatos, those championships, or aquellas competencias, those competitions, but they're way over there. So if you can remember this phrase, this and these have T's, that and those don't, it will help you to differentiate between these words. So this and these have T's, that and those don't. So, most adjectives come after the noun in Spanish. With demonstrative adjectives, these appear before the noun. Okay, and they must agree in both gender and in number. And they are agreeing in gender and in number with the noun that they are modifying. So this bat, este bate. Este is agreeing with bate. Now please turn in your packet to page 18, which should be the back side of page 17, and we're going to learn demonstrative pronouns. So the difference between a demonstrative adjective and a demonstrative pronoun is that an adjective is clarifying or modifying or describing a noun. A pronoun is replacing a noun. So instead of saying, I like these bats, you might just say, I like these. So the words are actually the same as the adjectives. There's just one main difference, and see if you can pick that out. So when something's close, meaning this or these, it will be este, esta, estos, or estas. When something is not close, so you are saying that or those, you will say eso and esa for that. Estos, and I'm sorry, this should be ese, ese and esa, and then estos and estas. And then when something is far away, you're calling it that, you would use aquel, aquella, aquellos, and aquellas. So were you able to pick out the difference between the demonstrative pronouns and the demonstrative adjectives? The main difference, actually the only difference between the two, is that there is an accent mark over each of the demonstrative pronouns, and there is not an accent mark on the demonstrative adjectives. So again, these pronouns must agree in gender and in number, and they need to agree in gender and number with the noun that they are replacing. So, for example, I might say, ¿Te gusta ese bate? Do you like that bat? You might say, no, me gusta aquel. So do you like that bat? No, I like that one way over there. Okay? So there is nothing that you need to do to accompany this video aside from take notes, but please come to class prepared with any questions that you might have on the content of this video.